Hey sweethearts, welcome to the tutorial for Duele El Corazon by Enrique Iglesias. Let's get started. This song is really about the face and the attitude and the sex. So we start here, we're gonna have the arms crossed and we're gonna have that right leg popped. Just the feet first. It goes up, up, back, back. 1, 2, 3, 4. Step out. Right, 2, 3, and left, 2, 3. Again. 1, tap, 2, tap, 3, tap, 4, tap, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. And the arms are going to go out, cross, out, cross. And then as we step the foot out, we're going to take it over the head, opposite arm, and opposite arm. Together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Left foot. 7 and 8. 2 more times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. By the second verse, this one really gets picking up. Ta, ta, ta. Now on the fourth one, we're going to step out. We're going to pump together, stir together, body stir again. Pump in, stir together, stir to get ready to start. Facing the front. We go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2. Right into that pump. Pump in, stir together, stir with the booty, pump in, stir together, stir, get ready. Section 2, we have a salsa step. The arms are right here in fists, right across the chest. We start with that right foot forward. We go front, left foot back, back, 2, 3. Then we take it around, the arms are going to come around the body as we go 1, 2, 3. And then we step back and we swing the arms back. 1, 2, 3. Face the front, that first section. We go salsa front, salsa back, salsa around, swing the arms back. Great. Second part of that, we're going to take it up to the mirror. Salsa right, salsa left. Right foot, right arm goes 1, 2, 3. Left foot, left arm, 1, 2, 3. We step again with that right foot, front and back, around, front and back. We take it back this time, double right, double left, right, 2, 3, left, 2, 3. You can also add a hip here, 1, 2, hip, 1, 2, hip. Facing the front. Taking it out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, and 4. Salsa front, salsa back, around, ta, 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 and we go back, double right, double left, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So let's see both salsa front and back facing the mirror. We go. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, around, arm swings, take it up, we go, tap, tap, left, tap, right foot, right arm, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, right foot again, front, and back, arms around, right, and left, take it back, double right, double left, right foot, right arm, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Right from there, we're going to drop the hands right to the hips. Now we have 3 little grapevine steps, and then we have some flamenco arms. So we start going to the right. We go, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Going back, and front, and back. Step, flamenco, and flamenco. So the bottom leg comes down, as well as the bottom arm and bottom arm. Facing the front. We swing 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3 to the hips. And 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 1, and 2, and 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8. So if it's just rocking and rocking with a big arm grab and arm grab. Last part, we have a little breakdown. Take those arms behind the back, right into the lower back. We're going to go single, single, double. We're going to go single, single, double, single, single, double, single, single, double. 4 heels, and the hands will come out. 4, 3, 2, 1. Other side. Single, single, double. Rock, rock, travel. Rock, rock, travel. 4, 3, 2, 1. Present. To start salsa. Facing the front. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 5, 6, 7, and 8. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Right, left, right, left. Start. Salsa front, salsa back, around. Take it down. Double right, double left, right foot, right arm. Hit, hit again, front and back, around and back. Double right, take it back. Right foot, right arm. 1, 2, 3. Let's keep going. Chorus, front. Hold. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So go to the ending. Front, front, back, back, over the head. One more time. Front, swing, front, back, side, and side. Give a little kiss there at the end. That's all the sections. Let's dance it.